CID officer.
जो भी जीतता है पोल,
Oh, भाई।
ask for not don't ask for your favorite game, ask for the सबसे महंगी गेम जो तुम्हें
Voted
दिखती है।
क्यों नहीं वास वाले फिर नहीं
और
कर रहा हूँ
now
कभी
it's
गिव अवे।
Battlefield.
I am broke now. And लास्ट महीने तक मेरे बैंक अकाउंट में पैसे हुआ करते थे, बट देन फॉर सम रीजन आई डिसाइडेड टू प्ले दैट जेनरस यूट्यूबर एक्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ माय डिस्कॉर्ड ऑडियंस. आई डिसाइडेड टू होस्ट अ डिस्कॉर्ड आर्ट कंपटीशन.
अरे बाय द वे, एक बंदे ने इधर रेज जीरो का आर्टवर्क भेजा होगा, वो देखा किसी ने?
ये
वो तो हाँ, तेरे को ये बंदा पता कौन है?
नहीं.
अरे वो उसने वो बनाया था, क्या बोलते, जयेश और तेरा किसिंग वाला ये वीडियो।
ये नीचे वाला खोलियो, नीचे वाला।
वही है वो।
यार yo what the fuck is this bro?
डैडी
भाई ये मेरा आर्टवर्क है।
Bro what the fuck is this bro?
साले देव मादर क्यों लिखा हुआ है तूने नीचे? साले छोटा सा ये Paul, there's something that I want to talk to you guys first by about this gaming thing, whatever he is doing by. जो भी जीतता है पोल,
Oh, भाई।
ask for don't ask for your favorite game, ask for the सबसे महंगी गेम जो तुम्हें
Voted
दिखती है।
क्यों नहीं वास वाले फिर नहीं कर रहा हूँ कभी गिव अवे. ये दल्ले ऐसी गेम मांग लेगी जिनके पीसी पे चलेगी भी नहीं.
हाँ,
भाई मेरा
I
तो
feel
पैसे देना, चॉपिंग के पैसे दे देना मेरे को तो खाली।
go for Battlefield 6, ठीक है, प्री बुक योर GTA 6 right now. किसी ने सिल्क सॉन्ग ऐसी छोटी सी गेम मांगे ना, गेम
के जो गेम खेलनी है वही तो मांगेंगे या ये बहन मेरी हक मारने के लिए गेम मांगनी है.
भाई उन्हें Battlefield 6 खेलनी है, मन है भाई अगले का.
तेरा तू दिलवा रहा है उनके मन दल्ले. ये दल्ला करोड़पति है, ठीक है, इसके हिमाचल में सेब के खेत हैं. He does not have to do anything in his fucking life. His day of fun looks like waking up then doing whatever the fuck he wants. फिर रात को 3-4 मॉम जोक्स मार देता है वीसी में. And good night. And he did try to fuck me financially that night.
भाई 60 रुपए चाउमीन दिला देना मेरे को तो खाली।
Elden Ring plus DLC मांगो.
सुनो मैं ना अपने एस चीक छोड़े करके भेज देता हूँ इसमें वीसी में, वो ले लो प्राइस में वहां की तुम्हारे
तो भाई
भोसड़ी के.
भाई ड्यून अवेकनिंग 26,000 रुपए की क्यों दिखा रहा है? क्या ये?
माँ की तेरी भोसड़ी के 26,000 बोला क्या तूने अभी? मैं ना प्रोस्टेट में साइनाइड डाल के मर जाऊंगा भाई. कपड़े खुलने वाले हैं मेरे. आई नो इट.
3 डिजिट वाली गेम किसी ने मांगी ना, मैं बता रहा हूँ.
तेरी बहन पीट के सुखा दूंगा तार पे मैं भोसड़ी के. You the f submitted this brick teddy bitch. Did this motherfucker just paint this in MS Paint? Bro, I swear to God, if this wins, bhai, I am killing myself. Do not send any kind of hentai pics. I am kicking you out. Oh my God, what the f is this? Show the CID officer. Oh God.
Better.
Why are the nipples too far apart? These motherfuckers are voting W on the TD pics. Oh my God. The talented art ain't winning. I'm just saying, bhai. I'm just putting it out there. You ain't winning shit. Alchemist, this is not even your image. Lemon Rust just made a new image. This mother... Bro, this looks like that schizophrenia test, bhai. What do you see in the image? I don't know. Bro, shut... Bro.
वोट करना पड़ेगा सब कुछ।
I swear to God, bro. Let me give away a fucking game, bro.
Battlefield 6 हो गई, Wukong हो गई.
Bro, stop putting games in there. These motherfuckers own an HP laptop. They can't even play Sudoku on that shit. Bro, मेरे को हरिद्वार जाना था इस वीक बोस के घूमने.
वो तो जा ही रहे हैं.
पूरी फिर वो तो जा रहे हैं मैं. टांगे बैठ के जाएंगे, पैसे नहीं. This motherfucker. ओए यार तू इस what the hell is this mole collabo? Bro, I haven't even heard of that shit. सब 72,000.
गेम चाहिए मेरे को।
72,000 की गेम? That ain't even a game. Is this a fucking virus gene? ये Steam पे क्यों है?
यार भाई मुझे मेरे आइसक्रीम भिजवा दो कुणाल भाई मेरे घर पे.
And shut the fuck up. You haven't even submitted shit.
I submit this in your mouth. Shut up.
Even that won't win against this art. Bhai, come on, look at this shit. Look, what is this?
अच्छा भाई ये तो लेजेंड. भाई कुणाल भाई ये तो लेजेंड लग रहा है तू भाई.
Bro, why are
लगाएंगे भाई
why are the nostrils so defined? Bhai, why? Ladies and gentlemen, are we done? Are we done with submitting art? Stop submitting games. Stop it. Lemon Rust is trying to explain the art. It says, in my art, the girl is the ex of the guy shooting, and the guy crying is the new boyfriend, and the fourth guy is chill guy jerk. There is a guy jerking off. Where? I see a bitch with unitedy. She's got one tit. Stop sending porn. Stop sending porn.
ऐसी बहन औकात के बाहर वाली गेम खरीदो.
Bro, shut the fuck up, bro. मेरे को YouTube से कोई पेमेंट नहीं आ रही है बहन. I just felt generous, so I am just giving it away. Yeah, lifetime payment of mine last month was 8,900. Lifetime जब से मैंने YouTube करना स्टार्ट किया उससे अब तक. And he's suggesting Black Myth, Wukong, Elden Ring. अबे जाना. Please make sure that you're voting critically. This might decide your future. This might decide the country's future. You stupid.
मैं बीजेपी को दे रहा हूँ.
Bro, there ain't no BJP in this.
बीजेपी को दे दिया भाई. मारो अब सबको.
Bro, BJP is not killing everyone. What do you mean?
They kind of are. That's why I voted for them, by the way.
Can we have some applause in the VC? Why can we?
Let's go. Results.
अबे भोसड़ी के. Yeah, exactly.
ऐसे ताली मारनी है.
Exactly. Yeah, calm down. Hey, calm the fuck down. Calm down now. Damn it. Oh shit. Yo, shit. Yo. We have. Man, shut the fuck up, man. Shut the fuck. Clean sweep victory on the best art that there was. The second best because it was about me. The first best was about this demon, the demon without the cockpit, pretty chiseled body.
वोट चोरी करी भाई. वोट चोरी भाई साहब.
Now, what do you? There are only 13 votes. There are only 13 votes. What do you mean vote chori? Some demon. If you have the cam, can you turn it on and see, show your excitement? If you don't have it, there is no issue, bhai. Yo.
चश्मा उतार.
Can you remove your clothes right now? Sub demon, you're on center stage right now. What do you want, bhai? What do you want? Can you?
I want we watch a stream.
What?
Dark Souls 3.
Okay, let me check the price, and if it's too expensive, I am quitting the VC and I'm not coming back.
3 digits.
Man, shut the fuck up, man. Stop saying 3 digits, you bitch. That guy have. Oh my.
Was the Doom Dark Ages.
Yo, is that 2100? Yo, is that 2100, bro? Okay.
By the way, wait, Kunal, scroll down kar.
Man, shut the fuck up, man. Stop adding season pass. There is no such thing as season pass in DS3. It's a season pass. Do they have
That's a DLC.
Do they have Fortnite events in Dark Souls 3? What the
By the way, he asked for the deluxe edition. ठीक है.
Bro, it's so many words in his mouth, bro. Come on.
Yeah, it's not the normal one. It costs 5,500, so you have to buy.
You got to ask for real.
Yo, what the hell is this profile, bro? Come on. Yeah, this guy ain't getting any pussy, bro. Yo, we have an extra version, motherfucker, right here, bro. Come on. Yeah, we not. Are you sure you want games and no subscriptions? I think Breakers is 50% off for Thanksgiving, bhai.
मैं बताता हूँ तुम्हें कुणाल का फोन.
ये वाली वीडियो भी इसमें लेते क्या?
Surf Demon is being robbed. Bro, he's not being robbed right now. Come on. You stop gaslighting him into buying some expensive shit. You guys need to understand. I'm not getting paid by YouTube, bhai. Come on.
Yeah, who asked Kunal bhai? Shut up.
Man, shut your bitch ass up, man. I'll touch you.
भाई मेरे को भी भेज देना Battlefield 6.
सुन, अपनी माँ पिटवा ले फ्री में.
फिर देखा.
गिर सकता है क्या इतना? मैं तो दे दूंगा. Yeah, let me get my debit card. I'm not gonna dictate my entire debit card number, but the first digit is 4. Do whatever you want to do with that.
मेरे पास कुणाल भी है इसका डेबिट कार्ड.
अबे यार, bro, let's rob that bitch, bhai. Let's rob that bitch. Okay, that is a joke. It is a joke. The Surf Demon is about to receive Dark Souls 3 anytime now.
वो फिर वो ट्रिप कैंसिल तो नहीं हो गई ना? कुणाल जा रहे हैं ना बेंच.
Bro, did you forget that I'm fucking rich?
भाई अगली बार 3 टीडीज बनाइयो भाई, वो भी पॉइंटेड.
Nah, bro, that's not a winning criteria, bro. Stop doing that. Okay, did you receive the game, my guy? Can you confirm?
Yes.
Can you show the excitement right now?
Do not redeem.
Did you get the wait?
You received.
Yes, sir.
This motherfucker has so many games. I just gifted a gift to a billionaire. I am the capitalist right now, bro. Yo.
तेरे पास कुणाल से ज्यादा गेम्स है बेंच.
Oh, I am the गरीब here. Come on.
भाई सीएनजी कैसे डालेंगे अब गाड़ी में जाते हुए भाई?
Oh shit, I f***ed the entire handshake up. Can we do that again? Yeah, can we do that again, bhai? Can we?
दोबारा घूमो ना भाई उल्टा.
मेरे को नहीं चाहिए. इस बार ऑपोजिट कर. इस बार ऑपोजिट नहीं चाहिए भाई.
कुणाल उल्टी तरफ घूम चुकी है.
Yeah.
डीमन तो सबसे पहले.
अबे तो मेरी
अरे नहीं
सर तू उल्टा घूम
अरे नहीं नहीं
और
अबे
भाई,
नहीं
दो
नो
भाई।
The other hand,
sir,
अरे
game
देखो,
was
देखो,
delivered by from my
अरे,
end.
okay,
This is a
plus,
con- Lemon rest, the competition is over. Stop sending more images.
अच्छा ये
Now,
औकात हो रही है ये.
now here's the thing though. We got pretty good art from other people as well, and I'm not that big of an asshole that I won't give them anything. I have one more thing to give. I can give you the Master Chief collection, the Halo Master Chief collection.
अरे मेरे को दे दे यार
गरीब इंसान को दे दे, उसका हार्ट अच्छा भी था.
Okay, yeah. So we have a veto right here. So here's the thing. This the other motherfucker that said कि मैं second आया था. That is because of distant nipples. अगर भाई मेरे को इस आर्ट को गिफ्ट देना पड़ जाता ना, I would have deleted my server then and there. So can Garib Insan send his ID in the DMs so I can gift him this? Stop sending tutorials to hack a Discord account.
हाँ खोल दिया
स्क्रीन शेयर कर पहले, तू स्क्रीन शेयर कर ले.
Yeah, close the tabs. Okay, I know the Brazos is free this month.
मैं नहीं हूँ भाई
By the way, did you guys know that Brazos is free this month? Just a public service announcement. Stop spamming your accounts.
अपना नाम सब चेंज करके गरीब इंसान लोगों
Bro, who's making these thumbnails on fly? He didn't even cut the timestamp from my fucking video. Yeah, मैंने बनाया. Bro, this motherfucker didn't make Mona Lisa, भाई. Nah.
बैक में चल जाएगा, अच्छा ऑप्टिमाइजेशन है.
हाँ, सुन एक बात कर, अपनी ass cheeks चौड़े कर. I'll be there in 15.
चल विचर 3 नहीं देगा अभी, तुम आइसक्रीम की बाल्टी मांग लो ना, देखना भी कैसे भेजता है ये फड़वा. वो तो को भेजता है.
Whoa, क्या? Yeah, that's a story about my ex. Bobby, stop making these fucking thumbnails, bro. Come on.
2 मिनट रुक
Is he jarking his schlong to Halo Master Chief Collection? He's asking us to wait for 2 minutes. You received the gift!
डिक्लाइन गिफ्ट.
What do you mean decline gift? It goes to waste, motherfucker.
डिक्लाइन गिफ्ट भाई.
You have the Halo Master Chief. Can we have the camera on so we can handshake with this guy as well?
नहीं भाई
Oh my fucking god, he just said no. He just said no after receiving.
मेरा है ही नहीं तो क्या बताऊँ तुमको
Bro.
बादल इसकी वीडियो बन रही है क्या?
Yeah, I record everything. Yeah, so all of you motherfuckers that said the N-word, why it's on camera. All of you motherfuckers that said the R-word, that said the N-word, that spoke against Modi ji and UP, why you're all dead.
कुणाल भाई ये निकर शिकर बोलना ही नहीं चाहिए भाई.
Bro, shut the fuck up, bro. Okay. I think that's enough for today. I'm gonna go watch One Punch Man and I'm gonna cry a lot because the episodes suck. I think you guys can go enjoy your games. The ones that won, the ones that didn't win. Man, shut the fuck up. Okay, I think we'll end it here. Bro, they kicked me out. Bro, who kicked the owner out? Who did that?
भाई बस chat.
Bro, what the hell is this? Okay. I will kick. I will ban the motherfucker that is kicking me. Bro, it's for another award. Let me speak, bro. Let me speak. Okay. Yeah. Enjoy your Witcher 3. Enjoy your Dark Souls 3. Enjoy your Halo Master Chief Collection. Whoever won. I'll see you guys maybe like whenever I have enough money to give away more games or YouTube gives me more money. But yeah, you piece of shit! You piece of shit! I'm leaving. F off.